There are two alternatives which determines our destiny. The number one is a chance. If you take a chance in life, that means you have taken life for granted. Don't take a chance. This alternative is not good. The other one is choice. Choose to have a silent mind. The first and the last choice. Choose to have a silent mind. Suddenly, new horizon opens up in your life, new vision comes to your life. If you are silent, your mind is silent. Silent mind is empty mind, desireless mind. You should understand, when the mind is noisy, that means it has no center. There is no harmony in that. It loses the harmony. When mind is silent, there is a center, you are grounded well, there is a harmony. The disharmony, the harmony, without harmony, this mind which is not silent is like a mobile hell in motion. If the mind is silent, the mind is like a child's mind. Pure, innocent, child's mind. Even if you are angry in the child's mind, there is some beauty in that anger. If there is noise in the mind, the anger is very ugly. Because child is not a person. The childlike means child is not really a person. Child is an individual. An individual is growing in the child. A growing individual is a child. With new emotions always. In the silent mind, the emotions will be always new. The child it gets excited with feelings and with actions. And whatever it does, there is a kind of excitement. Skill and feel, all are very excited. And even the silent mind is like creative, like this, always. That's why parents should be always a friend to a child, and their job, responsibility, or I can say their task is to bring good values in their children's life and with some commitments. That's what we have to do for the child. Because the values are very important. Transformation is not so easy. If you understand, the action is the result of your thought, the thought is result of your values, then you will know you have to change values in life. The transformation happens. So it is difficult to change your actions and thought. Change your values. That is what we should bring into child. Sense of values. Values of relationship, values of food, values in everything. That is the awareness. Once they develop the value, slowly, without any force, we drop our beliefs. Because there is no truth in that. We drop our belief, we drop our philosophies, because there is no truth in philosophy. Always truth is in silence. We will realize. In silence, we search, or we find, we attain silence inside. All our outer search, it leads to one lie to another lie. We can change lies, but the search for truth is inside. That's why always I tell everyone, I don't expect the improvement in sadhana, I expect the growth in sadhana. Real growth. Because improvement is of the mind trick. The growth is of your whole being. Growth is whole and holy. Improvement is ugly. You have to give values, values will change everything. For that value, we have to see the essence of everything, go deeper. Silent mind can go deeper and to the core of everything, and the silent mind expresses the truth so that you can fix your values.